In the last video, I talked to you about how to do a nature study, and I talked about alternatives for writing and drawing in the journal. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk more about the field guides that we use for nature study. So we'll just get right to it. Now I want to share some field guides that have been essential for our nature study adventures. And here are two of them. I wasn't able to find the others, so I'm just going to show them on the screen here. While I will be focusing on the Michigan guides, since this is where my family is located, it's important to note that Stan Tekiela, I think I pronounced his name correctly, he's written an entire series of field guides for various states, and he has the regular field guides, and then he has the ones for children too. So be sure to check out the link in the description to find the guides that's specific to your area. Well, this one here, the Birds of Michigan Field Guide, this is a really good resource for identifying and learning about the birds in your state. This is a really small guide. I meant to put the dimensions on here. I'm not sure, but as you can see, it's pretty small and easy to fit into a backpack or a purse. What I really like about it is it has these color-coded pages. There's the blue and brown and all these different colors so that you can actually turn to the color and find the bird a little bit easier. There's really good photographs inside the book, and I'm showing you here some pictures of it, and it has detailed information about each bird species that is a citizen of your area, including their habitats, their habits, and songs. I really like these field guides, and my children enjoy them too. They're very good resources. Another excellent field guide by Stan Tekiela is this one here, the Wildflowers of Michigan Guide. It's fallen apart because we used it so much. This book is organized by color, and so it's really simple for even young children to identify the beautiful wildflowers in your state during their nature study. And so the color coded system here is really nice. It makes it easy to find things, and it really streamlines that identification process so that you can find the names of these wildflowers. And there's even a tree book too, so that it's not so overwhelming if you're first starting out with nature study. And lastly, I highly recommend the Kids Guide to Birds of Michigan. And it's also by, you guessed it, Stan Tekiela. And this guide is designed with children in mind. It has really large, colorful photographs. And in this one for Michigan, there's 86 of the most common birds. The species are organized again by color. And there's a lot of helpful information there, including field marks and hangouts and calls and songs of the birds. And there is a range map too. You can find a lot of good information in this book. But what I really love most about it is that it has a lot of fun activities for everyone in the family. Some things like building a birdhouse and preparing your own bird food. So it's a really good resource that you might want to check out. These field guides by Tekiela are what my family used for nature study, and we just really found them very helpful and engaging. There's likely a Tekiela guide for your state. You can go ahead and check out the link in the description. The last book I want to mention, I actually mentioned this book in my previous video, but it's called Teaching Kids to Love the Earth. It's actually right here. This is a really good springboard for nature study. I mentioned it in my 3 secrets for planning your homeschool in the summer video. You can find the link to this book here in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Bookschooler for more tips and resources on Charlotte Mason and diverse literature-based homeschooling. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.